Hello students, today we are going to start section 9.2 of chapter number 9 income and spending. Today's topic is the consumption function and aggregate demand. The relationship between consumption and income is described by the consumption function. The consumption function. We assume that consumption demand increases with the level of income. That is, when the income level increases, consumption increases. Consumption function is written as C equals to C bar plus Cy. This consumption function is shown by the blue line in the figure. That is, this blue line. You can see this consumption function shown by this blue line. The variable C bar, that is the intercept, represents the level of consumption when income is 0. This C bar, that is our intercept, this is the level of consumption when the income level is 0. This C bar is our autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption. That is the level of consumption when the income level is 0. C equals to C bar plus C0, that means consumption equals to C bar. So basically, when we put the income level as 0, our consumption is equal to autonomous consumption. The slope of the consumption function is MPC, that is the marginal propensity to consume. It is denoted by small c. So this is our marginal propensity to consume. The marginal propensity to consume is the increase in consumption per unit increase in income. That is, MPC denoted by small c is equal to change in consumption upon change in income. It shows the change in the level of consumption due to the change in the level of income. For every dollar increase in income, the level of consumption rises by $C. That is, when the change in income is $1, then how much will be the change in consumption? We can find it. We know that MPC equals to change in C upon change in Y. So we need to find change in C, and change in Y is $1. So the change in consumption is $C or $MPC. So when the increase in income is $1, then the increase in level of consumption will be $MPC, marginal propensity to consume. For example, if MPC is 0.9, then for every $1 increase in income, consumption rises by 90 cents. So if I am taking this MPC as 0.9 and change in Y equal to $1, then how much will be the change in consumption? MPC equal to change in C upon change in Y. MPC is 0.9 change in consumption, and change in income is $1. So we can write it as change in consumption equal to $0.9 or 90 cents. As we know that in $1 there are 100 cents. So in $0.9 there will be 90 cents. In our case, the marginal propensity to consume is less than 1, which implies that out of $1 increase in income, only a fraction C, only a fraction MPC will be spent on consumption. That means MPC equals to change in consumption upon change in income. So change in consumption will be MPC times change in Y. So basically when the increase in income will be change in Y, then the consumption will increase by this fraction, by MPC times the change in income. Only a fraction C of the increase in income will be spent on consumption. Thank you.